In this video, we will face the part, rename the NC file, and finally post the file. A facing toolpath quickly removes material from the top of the part to create an even surface. To do this, select Toolpaths, Face. When the chaining dialog box appears, choose the OK button to use Define Stock and exit the chaining dialog box. From the Toolpath Type page, the facing icon will automatically be selected. We will now choose a 2-inch face mill from the library and set the tool parameters. From the Tree View list, select Tool. Click on the Select Library Tool button. To be able to see all of the tools from the library, disable Filter Active. From this list, pick the 2-inch face mill, number 316. Once the tool has been selected, choose the OK button. Your tool will appear as shown. Input the following comment: face the top of the part. Once complete, choose the cut parameters. Make all the necessary changes as shown. Change the style to zigzag. Also, make sure the amount to leave on both the stock and walls is set to 0. For move between cuts, ensure that it is set to high-speed loops. I will now take a brief moment to explain a few of these parameters. The style zigzag creates a back and forth cutting motion. Move between cuts determines how the tool moves between each cut. This is only available if you select the zigzag cutting method. And finally, high-speed loops is used to create 180-degree arcs between each cut. Once all of the parameters have been adjusted, select linking parameters. Make the following changes as shown. Ensure the top of stock is an absolute value of 0.125 and that the depth is an absolute value of 0. The rest of your parameters should appear as shown. Now select the OK button to generate the toolpath. We will now backplot and verify the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Only select operation number 5. Select the backplot icon. Ensure that Tool and Workpiece are enabled. Now select the Fit icon. Press the Play Simulation button to run backplot. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit backplot. From here, select all of the operations and verify your part. Ensure that Tool, Stock, and Workpiece are enabled. Select the Fit icon. Now press the Play Simulation button. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify. Next, we will rename the file. The facing operation in setup number 2 kept the NC name from setup number 1. We need to rename this operation. To do this, right-click on setup number 2 group, choose the option Edit Selected Operations, and then pick Change NC File Name. When the new NC name dialog box appears, input setup 2. Once complete, choose the OK button. You should now see setup number 2.nc in the last item of text for operation number 5. Finally, we will post the file. Ensure that all operations are selected. From here, choose the Post Selected Operations button found in the Operations Manager. When the post-processing dialog box appears, choose the OK button. Now, save setup number 1 and setup number 2. The Mastercam Code Expert will appear. Ensure that the operations appear correct for your machine. You can now exit the Mastercam Code Expert. Finally, you can save your updated Mastercam file. This will complete tutorial number 3.